Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Mega Market Mall, your go-to source for information about technology and gadgets. We have a great post for you today, titled, How to Choose the Perfect Laptop, Buying Guide. Making the perfect decision might be challenging with so many options available. But don't worry, you'll have all the information you need to make a wise decision by the time this video is over. So, let's get started straight away. Criteria 1. Identifying your needs is the first criteria. Finding out what you need is the first step in selecting the ideal laptop. Do you require a laptop for work, entertainment, or artistic endeavors? Make a list of the characteristics you absolutely require after taking into account your principal usage. This should help you narrow down your options. Criteria 2. Operating system. Next, let's talk about the operating system. You have three main choices: Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS. Windows is versatile, Mac OS is known for its user-friendliness, and Chrome OS is great for those who live in the cloud. Choose the one that aligns with your preferences and needs. Criteria 3. Size and portability. Laptop size matters, and it's all about striking the right balance. Smaller laptops are more portable, while larger ones offer better screens and more power. Consider your daily routine and whether you need a highly portable laptop or one with a larger display. Criteria 4. Performance is the fourth criteria, therefore let's talk about it now. A laptop with an Intel i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 CPU should be adequate for daily tasks. Aim for an i7 or a Ryzen 7, though, if you enjoy gaming or doing a lot of video editing. Storage and RAM are also essential. The ideal combination is usually an SSD and 8 GB of RAM. Criteria 5. Gaming graphics and the fifth criteria. Choosing a laptop with a dedicated graphics card is essential for all of you gamers out there. Look for products with AMD Radeon or NVIDIA GeForce GPUs. Without a doubt, this will guarantee a smooth and enjoyable gaming experiences for a long time. Criteria 6. Battery life. People dislike laptops that require frequent plugging in. Choose a laptop with at least an 8-hour battery life if you want to be really mobile. When you're on the go, long-lasting batteries will be your best friend. Criteria 7. Budget. Let's talk finances. You need to take care of your wallet. There is a large pricing range for laptops. Establish a reasonable budget before limiting your alternatives to those that you can afford. Never forget that getting a good laptop doesn't have to cost a fortune. Criteria 8. Brands and reviews. The brand of the laptop should be taken into consideration, and reviews should be read. Some companies are known for their high standards of product and client care. To find out what people are saying about the particular laptop models you are interested in, it is always a good idea to read user reviews and expert opinions. Criteria 9. Ports and connectivity. Keep connectivity in mind. Make sure your laptop has the required ports, such as USB, HDMI, and Thunderbolt, for your peripherals. This will spare you from having to deal with adapters or dongles. So there you have it, our in-depth guide to choose the ideal laptop. Making the ideal choice for your tech setup is easy if you follow these steps and think about your requirements. Keep in mind that your ideal laptop might not be the same as someone else's, and that's totally fine. Give this video a thumbs up if it was useful and share it with anyone you know who might be looking for a new laptop. We appreciate you being here today. Please subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any queries or would want to share your laptop purchasing experiences. Until next time, happy laptop hunting. Thanks for watching.